Russia and Ukraine sign a historic deal today in Istanbul to safely deliver Ukrainian grain, foodstuff and fertilizer to international markets under the supervision of the United Nations. The agreement relieved the concerns over a growing food crisis that has been triggered by the crisis in Ukraine to a great extent. Today, the deal was first signed by Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu with his Turkish counterpart Hulusi Akar and UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. The deal was later inked by Ukrainian Infrastructure Minister Oleksandr Kubrakov with two others. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who has been exerting efforts for an ultimate deal between Russian and Ukrainian leaders, was also present at the ceremony.
Gemilerin çıkışından güvenli bir şekilde intikaline ve varacağı limana ulaşmasına kadar tüm süreçler üzerinde mutabakat tesis edildi.
The signing of the deal meant a big step towards a reconciliation for the first time since February when the dispute began in Ukraine. Guterres described the consensus as a beacon of hope on the Black Sea thanks to the collective efforts of so many.
Today, there is a beacon on the Black Sea, a beacon of hope, a beacon of possibility, a beacon of relief in a world that needs it more than ever. This is an agreement for the world. It will bring relief for developing countries on the edge of bankruptcy and the most vulnerable people on the edge of famine. And it will help stabilize global food prices, which were already at record levels even before the war.
Defense Minister Akar told reporters after the ceremony that the need for a safe transport corridor to transfer about 25 million tons of grain by sea was evident. Akar noted that Russia and Ukraine provide 1/3 of the world's grain supply, and solving this issue is very important in terms of eliminating hunger and security problems in the world. Ukraine is among the world's leading grain exporters, supplying more than 45 million tons annually to the global market, according to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization.